Hello everyone, I'm Nityanand Singh, and today we're going to explore something that's probably happened to you before, the Baader-Meinhof Phenomenon. Have you ever learned a new word or concept and then suddenly started seeing it everywhere? Let's break down why that happens. The Baader-Meinhof Phenomenon, or frequency illusion, is when something you just learned about suddenly seems to pop up all around you. It feels like it's everywhere, but really it's a trick of your brain. This effect happens for two reasons: selective attention and confirmation bias. When you learn something new, your brain pays more attention to it. Then every time you see or hear it again, your brain takes note, making it feel like it's everywhere. For example, imagine you just learned the words serendipity. Suddenly you might see it in an article, hear someone say it, or spot it on a sign. It's not that the word is appearing more often, it's that you're just noticing it more. This phenomenon is a common cognitive bias and can apply to everything from numbers and names to products and ideas. It's one of the ways our brain helps us make sense of new information and store it in memory. So why does it happen? Our brains are wired to detect patterns as a way to help us make sense of the world. When we notice something new, our brain starts paying extra attention to similar things, reinforcing the pattern. So next time you find yourself noticing something everywhere, remember, it's just the Baader-Meinhof phenomenon in action. If you enjoyed learning about the frequency illusion, don't forget to like and subscribe for more psychology insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.